Gopis couldn't see Krishna. They couldn't feel Krishna. They're crying, they're asking the trees. So we're in Vrindavan. Do you go to the trees and say, Krishna Kahan? Where is Krishna? Is anyone searching for Krishna? Is anyone moving in Vrindavan searching for Krishna? Oh, I went to Mangalartik. I'm searching for Krishna. You're not searching. He's right there. But Vrindavan means to ask everyone. The gopis went mad. This is a definition of prema in the 11th canto. Evam vrata priyanama kirtya. Evam vrata swa priyanama kirtya. In Uddhava Gita, this is being explained that he goes, hasati, rodati, nrityati. They become so mad chanting his priyanam of the Lord. Evam vrata, deva vrata. Says he takes a vow, or he's taken, the name makes him into a vow, or she, the Priyanamam Kirtya, their favorite, dearest name of the Lord. Somehow, after they go through so many births, and they wander here and there, and they hear so many mantras and receive so many dikshas, at some point in the evolution of their consciousness, as they rise through Nishta and Ruchi and Asakti, then they come to the threshold of Bhava, then some name settles, some name arises from the fertile field of their consciousness, from the fertile field of their transcendental consciousness. One name arises and sits on the throne as the queen of all names, the Mancha Raj or the Mancha Rani, and that becomes their Priyanama Kirtya. And they dance, Nrityata, and they laugh, Hasati, and they cry, Rodati. And Lokabhaya, they don't care, Vichar. They don't care about what the people think. They say, Radhe, Radhe. And they say,